Hello, welcome back to Charlie's Lessons and another tutorial for Google Classroom, this time for students who would like to unenroll or leave a class on Google Classroom. So all we need to do is go to the Apps Launcher and find Google Classroom, which just looks like this. Select this. Then we should see all the classes that we are in. To unenroll or leave a class, all we need to do is find the class that we'd like to leave and click on these three dots. And we should have the option to unenroll. Click on this. We just need to confirm this, and remember, any files that you have in this classroom will remain on your Google Drive in a folder called Classroom. And there we go. This class has now disappeared and we have unenrolled from the class. Thank you for watching this video on how to unenroll or leave a class on Google Classroom as a student. I'll see you in the next video.